The next one is about Motorola. Motorola has already given details about the upcoming Moto Razr 2022 and Moto X30 Pro. They are not given much details about the Moto S30 Pro. They have already revealed the pricing. The Moto Razr is set to starting at around $888 or 70,500 rupees. Very good pricing because the Samsung has been launched. That Flip 4 has been launched for $1,000. The prices of the base model, that is 8128. It is also available in 8256 and 12256 configuration. The phone will be launched today, so this is just a China pricing. It should be more expensive outside. It comes with a 6.7 inch 144 Hz refresh rate. It has a larger outer 2.7 inch cover. The hinge design leaves no gap when it's closed. It comes with the 8 Gen Plus 1 processor, 50 megapixel main camera and 30 megapixel ultra wide camera. The S30 Pro still kept under wrap. It has a 1.55 inch main sensor. The display size is 6.5 inches, and it comes with 7 point something thickness. That more details will come out today. Regarding the X30 Pro, the first phone that should come with a 200 megapixel camera. There is a zoom and ultra wide camera as well. So let's see the pricing of this phone and let's see how it comes out. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos.